Okay, so in the last video we created some words, we created a category, and we also created an exercise. But in an exercise there are more settings. For example, the ad settings. If you enable this setting, you will be able to show different ad banners in an exercise. So for example, if you enable inline ad, you will be able to display advertisements in between two slides. If you enable the below exercise ad, you will be able to display advertisements below the exercise, somewhere here. You also have some options, for example, how many times you want the ad to appear in an exercise. If you don't have too many words or flashcards in an exercise, you probably want to keep this number low. Okay, in order to do that, you need to first enable these options. So let's just edit our existing exercise. So click Edit, and click here, and click Save. Okay, now we need to set up our ad banners. In order to do that, we need to go to Settings, and we have two ad spots. Here you can either add your Google AdSense code, or you can add any image with an HTML code. So I have some code prepared here. As you can see, the recommended size is 336 by 280. So I just paste this one here. And this one is 728 by 90. This is what's going to appear below the exercise. If you're done, then just click Save. And now it should appear on the website. Click Refresh, and now we have our ad banners here. Let's see if the inline ad appears. So let's just click Next, and sure enough, we have our other ad banner between slides. If I click Next, it will show the next card. If I click Next, it's going to show the ad banner again, because in the exercise we set it to appear 4 times. So that's it for the advertisement options. In the next video I'll walk you through how to enable the email marketing or email subscription options.